Wanna know how to fix update errors in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, make sure you have a proper internet connection. So if you have a slow internet connection or not enough bandwidth, it won't update, and there will be problems in it as well. So maybe switch up your data, change your Wi-Fi connection, or just simply restart it. Next thing is make sure to check up your Play Store application. So if it's not updatable through the game itself, just simply head towards Play Store and search up PUBG. So right here, there should be an update icon instead of play right here. So if there is not, then your update has not yet arrived on all devices. Next thing you can also do is simply restart your device, or just simply clear out your PUBG Mobile cache by just holding on it, going on to app settings, and then selecting clear data or clear cache, that is on the bottom right here. Now simply select clear cache and then select OK, and once that is done, your cache should be cleared. Restart a game and then your update errors should be gone with these tips. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.